Welcome to day 2 of the 5-day free breathing challenge. Today, I want to talk about nose clearing. Again, this is from Robin Rothenberg's book, Restoring Prana. And after years of being a massage therapist and having clients get off the table with their noses plugged, like face down, gravity. And after years of receiving body work and almost always getting a stuffy nose, I finally have a practice that is a super simple way to clear the nose. So if you have hay fever or allergies, or you wake up in the morning and half of your nose is plugged, you can alleviate this chronic congestion throughout the day. You can do this intermittently any day to your level of comfort. And if you're ready, just keep your lips closed throughout the process. We'll start with a gentle breath in and a gentle breath out through your nose. Even if you can't breathe all the way, there's a little bit of air that can get through there. After the exhale, pinch your nose and hold. Hold it tightly, but not to where you're hurting yourself. So after the exhale, pinch and hold and rock your head side to side or up and down. Now move really gently. Avoid any discomfort or pulling of the neck. And when you need to breathe, stop. Stop the rocking, release the nose pinch, and take a gentle breath in through your nose. Don't hold your breath, for longer than is comfortable. We don't want to stimulate a stress response or a sympathetic nervous system response where you go into fight or flight. Oh no, I can't breathe. So the invitation is to pinch your nose, rock your head side to side. When you feel you need to breathe, stop the rocking, breathe in through the nose. So we can try together if you want. Again, gentle breath in and breath out. We're going to do this 4 to 5 times, 6 times. Pause, feel, breathe in, pinch, now the pause, or you breathe in and then you breathe out and then you pinch and tilt your head from side to side. Let's try it again. Breathing in, breathing out. This is my dive master underwater hand signals for breathing. So to clarify, the reason we do not hold the breath on the inhale is because that can sometimes cause, again, stress response. But if you pause on the exhale, this can be a little easier on your nervous system. And again, the invitation is to don't hold the breath longer than, don't hold your breath to where when you let go, you're gasping to inhale. Like, the invitation is to be easy with yourself. Let go before you need to take a deep breath in. So let's try again. Gentle in breath, gentle breath out through the nose. Pause, feel, repeat. What I love about this is it kind of lubricates, it kind of gets my nasal passageways a little wetter, less dry. And I also like that it is immediate. I don't even need to do it 6 times to clear out which side is more blocked. And then if you see me like wiggle my nose a little bit, that's kind of how I channel my inner bunny to open up where I've pinched it to open up. So thank you for joining me for the free 5-day breathing challenge. I invite you to take this into your life and practice it throughout your day and see how you feel.